Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing to do today coming from, oops, it is backwards, Etekcity. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you guys like this, just click on the link, add it to your shopping cart, and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You should get this in no time. Uh-oh. I did a nice job taping it up. I think this might be 2 videos I'm gonna have to do. I think. But, oh, my finger's stuck. Here we go. There we go. Got that. And cut on this side. Oh boy. There we go. Drop these down just in case. Now what do we have here? Oh, sweet. This is from Etekcity. Gonna be the Volstan Smart Wi-Fi outlet. Whoa. So we got wireless distance from outlet to router is 98 to 164 feet. Compatible systems are Android 4.0 or higher. iOS is 7.0. And maximum power is going to be 1,000 watts. Input 124 or 120 volts. Alright. Here we go. Let's see what this thing looks like. I'm going to get my phone and set this up. My other phone. Whoa. Oh, it's one of these guys. Alright, it's these smart plugs. Hey, this is a... Holy moly. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. So this is a 6-pack they have to offer, and at a low cost. So I think there's a app you're gonna download, and so you can control your switch. Yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, here we go. It's a V-Sync. Yep, VESYNC. On your App Store or your Google Play, you can just search it and install it. So I'm going to have to do that on my other phone, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, now I got it plugged into the wall. It's right down there. And I had to update my backup phone. We got the app running. So it's really cool. And like I said, this is, they had the smart fitness scale that I did the unboxing on last week, I think. So really cool stuff they have to offer. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this app. And I'm using on the Android Galaxy 8 Plus, and I'm recording on the 10 Plus, so should be easy to install. Gotta press add, and then like I said, they got Wi-Fi outlets, switches, scales, kitchen appliance, lightning, air quality product. That should be interesting. And then it's gonna choose the ones you pick. They got an outdoor plug, 2-prong, that kind of style one. And then this is what the 6-pack is right here. It's the top one. Add device, plug it in. That's plugged in. Start setup. Okay. Press and hold the LED for 10 seconds. And the side light will start blinking. Okay, so go down here. It's right down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit blink. Shoot. Nope. Redo it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. There it goes. Okay. goodness, I gotta select my network. Put you guys over here. I don't want to see the password. Connect. Then it's gonna ask you to go to the Wi-Fi settings. It's gonna ask you to find their ESP. It's called. It's right on top. Gotta select that. Then you want to switch back. And jeez. There we go. Boom. So this gotta go back. Once you link it to that ESP, go back to the app and then say I'm connected, and it'll pop up this. So I think I got something to plug in to show you guys how it works, like the on and off. And I do believe you can set timers to it. So in case you have a night light or a reading lamp, you can set it for like an hour. You have it turned on. Alexa, she is working.
The noun working is usually defined as the act of a person or thing that works. The adjective working
Alright,
is
and
usually
Alexa, cancel.
defined as doing some form
Alexa,
of work
cancel.
related.
And then Google Assistant. There we go. Bada boom. Should be good to go. It's now set up. See, if I could do it, you guys could do it. So it should turn blue. And there it is. Right there. So we can turn it on. Boom. It's on. See? Oh, sweet. It tells the voltage, the power level, the schedule you can have. This would be great for Christmas decorations, stuff like that. Be really useful, and a great Father's Day gift too. That's coming up if you guys want to take advantage of the sale they got going on. Schedule, you can just create a schedule, turn smart light, and then all that good stuff. Not sure what this plug is for. I think it's for my vacuum cleaner, portable one. See, got that juiced on. Let's turn that on, and then say you want to turn it off. It should go off. Boom. That's out too. So really cool technology they got out now. So thank you guys at Etekcity. Hopefully it's not a long video for you guys, but really easy to set up, and I wanted to show you guys all this cool stuff that I could do. So let's see. Turn it on. Boom, boom, boom. And then let's see what else settings I got. You can change the icon, the notifications, save, energy saving mode, power protection, share device. You can always upgrade the firmware. Let's see what else. We got more down here. Oh, there we go. There's the A1. I can't really say it because she's gonna be listening in. Google Assistant. Let's see how easy it is to link up. It's probably searching it in the apps or something is gonna connect. Yeah, see, I'll let you guys do it, but it's self-explanatory, really easy to add it, stuff like that. So I'm gonna mess around with it later, but yeah, pretty simple stuff. And then enable. Oh, okay, so you go. Might as well show you guys really quick. This is really cool. I don't know if I have my Amazon linked up to this phone. No, I don't. Alright, yeah, I can't show you how to hook it up, but it's easy to set up if you really wanted to set up the Alexa and Google. But till then, YouTubers, be safe, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next video.